Hi, I am Cosmonaughtie. You can call me Cosmo. I am an adult content creator, and I have gotten presents. So this is like an unboxing video. So I have some fans have gotten me some presents, which I will be opening up for the first time. And I also have gotten a few things for myself. But this is all because of the amazing people who follow me and support me. And so this video is kind of like an unboxing. Let's hang out, let's chat, and kind of also acts as a thank you. Thank you for getting me stuff. I'm so excited to use it. So I wanted to start with a quick little rundown on the things I've gotten recently. So I went to this famous leather store in San Francisco called Mr. S Leather, and they do a lot of toy, like adult related leather stuff. So I got a t-shirt to commemorate it because it was the most awesome store. I'll be posting more stuff on my social media, but I got this leather harness, and it connects up through here. I wish you could smell it. Like, honestly, it has the most amazing leather smell. I love horseback riding and saddlery, and this kind of smells like a tack store as well. So I love it. It fits over the head like this, and then attaches over the chest. So you'll be seeing more of this, I promise. Ooh. And oh, okay, I caught something. On the similar note, this is also from Mr. S in San Francisco. We got handcuffs, and they are plushy. They're actually neoprene. They're not leather, and they smell like neoprene. I'm very excited to use these too. And then this. Okay, so this is a corset. I've already used this for content, actually. So if you follow me on Instagram, like I do daily tarot reels, I have read tarot in this corset, and a fan got it for me. I absolutely love it. It is beautiful. Right? Yeah. Big fan. Okay. So that's kind of a quick rundown on new things that I have that I've gotten recently that I'll be using in content. So keep an eye out. You'll see. And now we get to the unboxing part for real. So we've got this little package. Let's see. Ooh, it's stubborn. Let's see what it is. Aw. Okay, so it's a necklace. Oh, it's beautiful. And I believe this necklace has it has connections. Yeah, it does. If you can see here, it's got a small little connecting piece for my jewelry, because I have nipple jewelry, and so this will hang around the neck, and then these parts can connect to my bars. That is really cool. I am excited to model this. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. And then let's see what else came in this little package. Comes from a place called YB Normal. YB Normal. Oh, it's gonna reverse for you. YB Normal. And it came with a little sucker. Ah, that's so cute. Oh my goodness. Thank you. Okay. Another little box. Oh, okay. So this. Ooh, it's really bright. There we go. They're little skeleton hands, and they are nibble bars. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to wear these together. Okay. Okay, that was satisfying. What is home scented candle, Tahiti rosette scent. I love candles. I've been wanting to experiment with wax as well for playtime. And this is what's known as a massage candle. Oh my gosh. Oh, it smells amazing. So it has a pour spout, so you can distribute, you can trickle wax down. And it comes with this little case. Oh my gosh. That's exciting. I believe it's soy, coconut oil, sweet almond oil, jojoba oil, fragrance, vitamin E. Ooh. Ooh. That's exciting. Okay. All right. This reminds me of The Sound of Music. Brown paper packages tied up with string. These are a few of my favorite things. Okay. I think it's a book. Okay, so... Okay, this is Gecko and the Golden Mammoth. By J.L. Williams C. Diaz. Okay. And I'm really excited to read this. So it is, what I understand is it's a fantasy book. I love fantasy. Fantasy and sci-fi are my favorites. And it is a hero's journey, essentially. But the main character, Gecko, is essentially appears as a little gecko and has to figure out their way home. That's what I love this. Presented in Looney Vision, where available. I'm really excited to read this. Okay, all right, you know what? I won't read this right now because otherwise I'll just end up just reading on camera, which maybe that's cool, but that's what we're not doing that right now. And then saving the biggest one for last. Ooh. I think I know what this is. Yes. Yes, it is. Oh my gosh. Okay, so this is actually something that I got for myself. So this wasn't a gift from a fan, but it's a new tarot deck. Okay, so the artist, that's what I was looking for. The artist is Fyodor Pavlov, and he's incredible artist. And this deck is ooh, I wonder if it might be a little spicy for YouTube. She's beautiful. And she's, oh my god, it comes with this hard cover book to read it with. Oh my god, okay. And a beautiful box. I keep my tarot card boxes. So, oh my gosh, and it's so gilded. I don't want to scratch the card underneath by I'm trying to be very gentle. Because the art on these cards is just phenomenal. So I don't know if you're familiar with Pre-Raphaelite style of painting, but it is one of my favorites. There we go. One of my favorites. So this is the outside. It's this beautiful kind of slate washed blue with golden stars. And of course, we start with the Fool. Oh my gosh, I won't go through the whole deck, but we can just pick some random. The art is just phenomenal, and it really spoke to me, and I feel like it's important to have your tarot deck speak to you, right? I mean, I'm so happy. Okay, I don't even want to put them down, but I'll put them down for now. Oh my goodness. Well, thank you so much for watching and hanging out with me, for unboxing everything with me. I am very grateful for everyone sending me presents. I'm so excited to use them, read them, wear them, whatever the case might be. I appreciate you. You make my life better. So thank you. I feel very loved. And don't forget to, I'm supposed to say the thing, like and subscribe for more Cosmonaughtie content, and I will see you in the next one.